Today, we're making a bunch of 2-minute desserts. It's so ugly. Oh! Ooh, I'm so good at this. Don't forget to thumb this video. You can't go wrong with crepes. I feel like that chick in the kitchen, that dancing emoji. Welcome back to our kitchen, guys. This is gonna be a very fast and easy episode. We hope. We just need 1 egg, 125 mils of milk, 60 grams of flour. We're measuring today, guys. Are you proud? Whisk that together. I'm gonna pour some into my little measuring cup. And this is going to be the brown mixture.
The chocolate.
Chocolate. Gonna add some cacao powder, a tablespoon, mix that up. We've got our chocolate crepe mixture. I'm just feeling myself today in the red. I just haven't worn this in so long because I've been like, you know, pregnant, had a baby, that kind of stuff. Back to business. I'm going to spray my pan, hope that it doesn't stick.
We gotta do swirls, yeah?
No pressure, no pressure, lots of pressure. Whoa,
Whoa,
whoa, whoa. Okay, this is just a test, guys.
Gotta whirl it. Yeah. Okay, stop.
Yeah. What is that? Who is she? I don't know her. It looks nothing like her one, guys. It's just like 2 minutes of disaster, basically.
Okay, now flip.
Oh, I need my bangs out. I need clear vision for this. 1, 2, 3, flip.
Ooh! That's so ugly. That's so ugly.
It's so ugly. Zen will try the next one. Slide you in. Oh, you got this one, you got this one. Zen's actually good. She's worked in a cafe before, so I feel like she's great with whipping cream and this sort of like decorating stuff. You can do it, you can do it. You can do it. Better than me. Didn't really connect, but it's
I'm strapped. I hit it this thing too.
Yeah.
Okay, it's because our pan's too like
high. It's just moving it. Just know that it'll taste the same no matter how it looks, right? Yeah. Time to flip, girl. Oh, Zen's got this. You got this. You got this. Ooh! Eee! That looks good. Yes, yes. Oh, stop. Oh my gosh. I just want to thank my mom for raising me all these years. We did add a smidge of milk to that, so that was the trick. Okay, and then you gotta like
nice. Yes. Like fill in the gap vibes.
Fill in the gap vibes.
Okay.
Oh no, we were kind of like out.
You got it.
I literally
You got it.
don't have much. Okay, you move it, you swirl it whilst I...
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right.
Go.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Our masterpiece crepes are done, and now to wrap our chocolate. I couldn't find the Kinder chocolate, so I got the next best thing, which I actually think is better. Kinder Bueno. It's got that crunch in the wafer. Fold it in half and then kind of like make a blanket. We're gonna roll our Kinder Bueno up. Oh my gosh, it's so thick. It's sleeping in its bed. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, it's so thick. It's so big. This one is the best one out of the 3, guys. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay.
I'm sorry, but I don't like the outside. I only like the Kinder Bueno.
The Kinder Bueno is the best part of this. Zen got the cool down crepe, so it's not great. What if we microwaved it?
I just feel like there's so much dough. Maybe because we made ours too big or too
we
like,
made it
fat.
too thick.
Yeah.
I think add a little bit more milk to your mixture so it thins it out more.
Or just
hey, try
make
this one,
minier ones.
Oh, you know what? Unwrap some of it. A bit better, like the crepe.
Try it. Better. You need a better crepe to Kinder Bueno ratio.
Yeah.
But maybe because she used the Kinder chocolate, it's more rich.
Yeah.
Right? Ours is more wafer and air. You know what? This would be nice with like a Nutella spread or something. Like
I was just gonna say,
spread.
if you don't have Kinder chocolate, just Nutella that. I'm gonna give it a 1. Kinder Bueno deserves a double thumbs up. Duh. Our crepe on the outside though, lacking, but I feel like we know where we went wrong. So if you guys make this, it will probably be more towards double thumbs, but ours is probably just a 1 thumb right now.
Give a side thumb actually.
I never knew healthy brownies existed until now.
Let's make 2-minute healthy brownies. Start by mixing a mashed banana and an egg together, then add some cacao powder and baking powder and stir to combine. Add some dark chocolate chips on top if you like, microwave for 2 minutes and enjoy.
Don't mind me guys, I just suddenly have to pump so I can feed my baby. So you see me in all my mama glory. Healthy brownies made with banana. We're gonna mash this up. I think to speed it up, you can just do it all in a blender. Oh!
Oh my god.
I'm just trying to get that 2-minute mark, so we're gonna be quick. It's probably
2 minutes to microwave.
yeah, 2 minutes to microwave, not 2 minutes to prep. In goes our cacao powder. So romantic. Whilst I'm pumping and stirring, wow. Then we're gonna add in some baking powder. Continue mixing. Then we're gonna pop it into our dish. Pour it in. Grab a handful of choc chips, and now we decorate. We're gonna microwave this for about 2.5 minutes.
Our middle's kind of gooey.
We literally microwave this for like 3.5 minutes already, and it's still kind of gooey. The cooking time is gonna depend on your microwave.
This took us almost like 6 minutes at this point.
I mean, it's still quite quick, but you know, we were expecting 2 minutes.
Ooh.
Oh, you just lift it up, and then yes.
Okay, nice.
Yes, yes.
Ooh. It actually does look kind of moist.
It's still moist inside.
Nice,
It looks
nice.
very cakey.
Yeah.
It looks very cakey. Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
Tastes horrible. Mushy banana.
It tastes like a wannabe healthy cake. It's like cakey, but kind of like,
Very banana-y.
because there's no flour, it's just like mush. Definitely looks better than it tastes, guys. I think it's too healthy for us.
Yeah, like if I want to eat a brownie, I want to eat a brownie.
I need those calories, yeah. Forks down for this one. We're not being harsh, guys, okay? I feel like this definitely deserves a thumbs down. You're doing double! Wow, I'm just gonna go one
nice,
thumb.
huh?
I am being very nice compared to you.
I don't ever want to eat that. I don't want anyone else to eat that.
Don't try this at home. What a letdown.
Yeah.
I feel like we wasted those chocolate chips. Here's a simple take on the Japanese dorayaki. For this pancake recipe, we need 2 eggs. I'm just gonna add in my honey. Just finish this bottle up. 2 minutes to empty this jar of honey. 30 grams of sugar. Whisk that together. In goes 90 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda and powder, 10 mils of water. Mix, mix, mix. We added a dash of milk to ours because I feel like our eggs weren't big enough. So now our mixture looks more like hers, and we gotta wait 10 minutes. We almost forgot, we need to add in vanilla, just a smidge. Okay, now we set it aside. Our pan's really small, so I think we gotta go one at a time.
Oh, it's thick, bro. Oh, the back is...
Oh, the back is dripping. That's
Oh,
pretty
that's
good.
good,
That's
that's
good.
good,
That's
that's
good.
good, that's good,
Oh.
Oh, it's a cream sweet.
Oh, yeah, flip it, flip it, flip it.
Oh!
How does she get color on hers? Ours looks very pancakey. Oh, the back keeps
Yeah, that's why
dripping.
I'm like trying to make it a circle. Okay, okay. This is gonna take a while, guys.
It's a bit time consuming. Just use a bigger pan, guys.
Ooh! Use this washing the dishes.
I'm just, chaos.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Ooh.
Dorayaki delivery.
Zen was killer with these
killing it,
pancakes. She was on a roll. We got some color on it. Not as perfect as her one, obviously, but not bad for first timers.
This one's pretty.
Now I'm gonna spread some Nutella inside and try to find ones that match each other. Disclaimer, to keep it authentic, you should use like a red bean paste, right? But we're doing the 2-minute version. Took way longer than 2 minutes, by the way.
Yeah, it's because our pan's really small, so we have to do one at a time.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Can't go wrong with pancakes and Nutella.
Can't go wrong.
That's good.
It's my first time making like a dense pancake like this.
But surprisingly, it's not like too dense.
Quite good, quite good. It's so much nicer when you have it hot. This deserves a double thumbs up.
The hot one.
The hot one.
The hot one.
And I kind of like that Zen did most of the work, so
Oh.
I just had to like be there for moral support. She was like flipping queen, man.
I was killing it.
You were
I was
killing
like-
it. I'm doing it. I'm flipping it. I'm so good at this. Check out how cute these French toasts are.
I hope the bun looks so funny. It's a bun hot dog.
Is it banh mi hot dog? Okay, let's cut them into like cute little bite size. For this, you'll need egg, milk, cinnamon. Oh, cinnamon's all clumpy.
Yeah, why are all our mixing stuff always clumpy, man?
That's just us.
We're just clumpy girls.
We're just clumpy girls. For our dip, we will need 2 ingredients, sugar and cinnamon.
cinnamon challenge.
Did you ever do
I've
that?
never done it.
I've never done that too. One day maybe we could do it. Voila. Dip our hot dog into this mixture. Ooh. So far this one is nice and quick. Then we're gonna flip it and coat it in our cinnamon sugar. Breakfast is served. We tried with our presentation. I think it's just better if we just bought cinnamon sugar.
I kind of like it. It's like a flower.
It's pretty. The blueberries helped. I'm gonna eat the butt piece.
We're kind of showing the ugly ones, but...
It's the taste that matters.
Cheers.
Cheers. Not bad. Not bad.
I think because it's bread. Like, it was already good. Yummy to begin with.
The bread was already soft and nice to begin with, so we just decorated it, and I like that for breakfast. In the video, she did dip it in something white. Could have been yogurt, could have been cream cheese, could have been whipping cream. We don't know, but you know, on its own, it's pretty good. I like it. I quite like it.
I quite like it too.
I feel like it kind of leaves you wanting more, right? You go back, it's not like overly sweet, not very sickening, and you know what? Pretty easy to make. We didn't stuff this one up.
Makes me feel like I want to eat more bread now.
That's it to this episode of our kitchen chaos. If you guys are new here, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe. That's it from us. We shall speak to you guys next time. Bye. Don't forget to thumb this video.
So
That was so aggressive. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, but just thumb it, please.